So let's try some of the questions with some questions that's related to equations. Okay, so write T if the following is true, and F if it is false. So we are given that x is 2 and y is 3, right? So we are given x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Now let's solve some questions. X plus y is equal to 9x minus 9x minus y, right? So how do we solve this question? How do we know if this equation is true or not? Then we just plug in x for 2 and y for 3. So let's see. Since it says x is equal to 2, we write 2, right? And plus y is equal to 3, right? And 9 times x is what? 2. Minus y is equal to 3, so we put 3 there. Then we just add, or we just do the math, right? 2 plus 3 is 5, is equal to 9 times 2 is what? 18 minus 3. And 18 minus 3 is 15. So if you look at this equation, say this one is an equation, but is 5 really equal to 15? No, right? 5 doesn't equal to 15. So we write F right there. F. Okay? So those two things are not equal to each other. So now let's look at some other examples. Let's try number 3. 5x plus 6y is equal to 5x plus 3y minus 4. So let's see. 5 times x is what? 2 plus 6 times 3, right? Is equal to 5 times 2 plus 3 times 3 minus 4. And 5 times 2 is 10, right? Plus 6 times 3 is 18, and 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4, right? Minus 4. And 10, those can be cancelled out, right? It can be cancelled. And what's left is 18 is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. And since 18 doesn't equal to 5, this one is false as well. Okay? So another example. Let's try number 5. 8x plus 3y is equal to 10x plus 8y minus 19. And 8 times x was what? 2 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 10 times 2 plus 8 times 3 minus 19. Then 2 times 8 is 16 plus 9, right? And 10 times 2 is 20 plus 8 times 3 is 16 minus 19. Okay? 16 plus 9, that's 25, and 20 plus 16 is 36 minus 19, and 36 minus 19 that's 17. So 25 does not equal to 17, so we write F. So if you find a case that those two numbers are equal to each other, then you can say you can write T, but since those two numbers don't equal to each other, we write F. Okay, so now let's move on to the let's find out part.